Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you learned something in the session one. The session two is, especially session two means my sessions, is a continuation of the previous one actually. In this one, we are going to concentrate on Gen AI. In this session, even one of our colleague Mukesh is joined. He will also help me in wherever is possible. He will assist me. In the previous session, we discussed about 12 pillar framework or holistic AI. See, here it is the Gen AI is coming. That is where Gen AI is coming, like text generation, image generation, video generation, audio generation, code generation. And if you want to repeat them to the next level, instead of you working prompt by prompt or tool by tool, if you use agents, that is what the present trend, agents and agentic AI. That is what comes under Gen AI and Agentic AI. Of course, we are not dealing with anything regarding Agentic AI in this session, but you will definitely. I'm a heavy user of Gen AI. You will see my ChatGPT accounts and Claude and all those things. You will come to know how can anyone use from simple email writing to very complex report generation. That is what we are going to see. Even video generation, we can see a lot of things we can do. I hope you understand where you guys are, where we are right now in this session for next 1 hour. Okay. That is what, of course, this is just a overview. You will understand generative AI overview, video production, text generation, all those things. Before going further, just I want to show one video we generated in 1 hour, around 2 hours yesterday. Just I want to show.
Every grain of
Are you able to listen audio also?
No, sir.
No, sir.
How to share the with audio?
Yes, sir. Clearly audible.
You're able to listen audio?
Yeah.
Acha, then it's fine. This is a 1 minute video as for this seminar purpose, this session purpose. I asked Mukesh to develop it in exactly 1 to 2 hours by you, and we record all the steps also. I will show all those things.
grows from seed
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
to harvest. It begins in small nursery beds where tiny seeds are planted and cared for like babies until they sprout into young seedlings. Next, the seedlings are moved to wide, water-filled fields. Here, they stretch tall under the sun, swaying gently in the breeze. With water, sunlight, and a farmer's patience, the plants grow stronger, and clusters of golden grains slowly appear at the tips. When the fields turn golden, it's harvest time. Farmers cut the stalks, dry them, and carefully separate the grains. And that's how Paddy's journey ends, bringing warm, fluffy rice to our plates and smiles to millions of homes.
Yeah.
Every
So that is a 1 minute video. It has taken around 2 hours time. Just 2 hours. See the quality of quality of the visuals and localization, like Indian context. This is definitely not technically maybe, but for children, for marketing purposes, any kind of things. But if you go little bit deeper with the prompts and all those things, even we can generate technical videos also. Like only thing is to what extent we are going. Just I asked him. Yeah, I gave only one title like use paddy cow production and for generate a 1 minute video because the time is limited. So that I asked him to use whatever the tools he can use. Mm, I'm going to show all the steps also how he generated. He shared the PDF and I'm going to share it.
story to tell.
See, this voice and everything is AI generated. Script is AI generated. Idea from just I gave the title. That's all. From there, entire thing is AI generated. Idea is script is AI generated. Voiceover is AI generated. All the steps, whatever the steps involved.
Travel with our farmers and fist.
See,
It
this is
begins in small nursery beds where tiny
all the things. For to develop this, he shared the PDF, like all the steps he has used. That's what all the steps are involved. Where is that SOP? Script writing and timing, storyboard and shortlist, voiceover generation, image generation, video generation, music generation, editing and sync voiceover, visuals and music. He has done in the local system, because of course we can use AI tools also to do all the editing part, but we are good in regular Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects. We use that. Then he shared with me, and he taken the review and quality check. Finally exported. These are the steps we do on a regular daily basis. Even for example, this is
ఈ సెషన్లో చిన్న పిల్లలకు ఇంగ్లీష్ను రెండవ భాష
we are, as I told, we are working on AP government project. We are trying to include different kinds of video clips. This is initial step, not very beginning stage. In the next phase,
ఈ సెషన్లో చిన్న పిల్లలకు ఇంగ్లీష్ను రెండవ భాషగా ఎలా పరిచయం చేయాలో తెలుసుకుంటాం. Every
so that is we need to send it to the client, and we have to get the feedback about that. So this is how that is in this is actually real work. I'm interacting with one of our colleague right here itself. See, he's Aditya. He's working. He's sharing as and when he works something, and I give the please check the character look, and he's asking. I said, no, teacher animation is coming out, but we need to add a lip sync. This is a real work I'm sharing. We are using all these tools in the pipeline. This is this is not AI. We actually created a manually. We created the character.
రెండవ భాషగా ఎలా పరిచయం చేయాలో తెలుసుకుంటాం.
So this is actually more time. This is taking more time, and even quality of animation is not that smooth. Of course, we'll have a more control. Both are required based on the pipeline, but I'm pushing our team to go more realistic animations and more
రెండవ భాషగా ఎలా పరిచయం
so, different kinds of things. He used like idea 1 minute video clip. This is the what is that? I'm just I'll give the overview first. Then we are going to do. We are going to generate this kind of video. We try to create this kind of video, one more video based on your request. I'll take one idea from you guys, and we will try to create the video by tomorrow, because anyway we are having another session post lunch tomorrow. By that time we will share from you your idea. I'll take one idea from you guys, and I will try to follow the same steps, and we'll create 1 minute video by tomorrow. That is what. But these are the steps involved, like ChatGPT prompt. Imagine you are creative e-learning developer tasked with crafting captivating 1 minute script about the journey of paddy crops from planting to harvesting by Indian farmers. And first try to understand. Now we are coming to generative AI. Now we are not focusing on ML, how to develop ML, and how to get the data, and that is development side. As I told you, right? We are focusing on usage side here. Mostly this is coming from user level, and when you want to develop the your own mod, that is a different thing. Now just focus on how to use all these tools, just like someone is building a car, someone is building something. Now we are going to use them, those tools, those application side we are saying. The first and foremost is prompt writing. Simple. It's all natural language. Why the AI tools become so successful? And because they understand the natural language. You no need to, but there is a difference. Natural language means just saying. Imagine if I ask only one thing: write a script about paddy crops. it won't give like that. It has to mention 1 minute video script. It has to give as many details as possible. Then only it will be, because the large language models are so vast. They, because they're so vast and so big, you have to restrict its working to a limited area. That is where we need to come up with proper prompting. One shot, zero shot, that is zero shot and one shot kind of techniques are there. Zero shot means simply saying, give me a script on paddy. It may go in different directions because it may not know for what you're asking, whether 1 minute video or 10-minute video, and what exactly whom you are targeting, whether it's American or Indian or South Indian or North Indian or very specific locality. All those prompting is primarily depends on how many details you are giving, clarity. See, this is what ensure the content is clean, simple, and easy to understand. Use a creative tone to engage learners and make the process enjoyable. Incorporate examples, visuals to illustrate each step, making the learning experience both fun and informative. See, this is what he has taken the screenshot. Then it generated the script. See, opening scene, lush green fields, sun rising, every voiceover. What is the voiceover? It generated the script. For example purpose, we created this. That's the reason I not edited anything. But you can spend some time on editing and making it more effective. What exactly you want, how you want it. Then he generated, once the script is over, voiceover script for voiceover generation. We need to separate all the unnecessary things and like the scene details and everything. We need to get the, what is the prompt. Imagine you are a creative voiceover artist asked with converting a script into a compelling audio narrative. Provide short, engaging responses with the creative flair. Ensure the dialogue is punctuated for a smooth listening experience. The voiceover script. Every grain of rice on your plate has a story to tell. Let's travel with our farmers and see how paddy grows from seed to harvest. This is one part, one sentence in the voiceover. Like that, it has. This is what exactly we do on a daily basis. We write the script and we make it voiceover script. Even for last 10-15 years, I have been doing this activity. Now these tools are supporting us to do all these activities. Voiceover generation. Then paste your 1 minute script into free pick. That is what the suite of tools we are using, because free pick is like aggregator of AI tools. There it includes all kinds of tools. Instead of going to separate tools, our guys are using, because sometimes you use text generation, sometimes you use image generation, sometimes you use it for video generation, like that, audio generation, sound effects and everything. So they are taking commercial version of this one. It is around 1500 to 10,000 rupees. We take sometimes we take 10,000 version, sometimes we take 1500 version, something like that. Select the language, accent, and voice style from it. Generate audio, review it, and regenerate if by using this. He generated the audio part. See, he has taken the screenshots of this. Then storyboard and shortlist breakdown. Now you are asking it to develop a scene one narrative. For this, visual description: wide shot of lush green in countryside, the sun rises over paddy fields, farmers are seen walking with tools. This is the visual description. And what is the camera and framing notes? You know, do you need to know all these things? No, you guys no need to know. Only thing is how to ask it, how to ask the AI tool to give a proper prompt and these visual descriptions and all those things. On screen text, the journey of paddy. Of course, he has not added because of time limit, but you can add all those things. Like this, for each scene, it generated the voiceover, visual description, cameras, on screen text, everything. He followed that. Finally, on screen text. Now, see, the textual part is over. The planning part of the video, the textual part of the video is over. Always, whenever we are working on any video, it starts with the script, right? The textual part, either that is given by, for example, a client, or we work on the script based on the inputs they provided. Imagine if I am the client for Mukesh, I gave only one thing. Just I want 1 minute video for using AI tools on paddy crop value chain. That is the only instruction I gave. Then he used because he's using all these tools for more than a year. Um, so now he's a little bit proficient with using all these tools. Image generation. OpenAI image generator. Select style, what style you want, and now he generated in the free pick. He used the aerial shot of this thing. Say this. This is the prompt, and it generated these images like this. Exactly. This is what you have seen. First, you need to generate the images. Don't directly generate the video, because that is possible also. Just by using prompts you can generate the videos, but that is not the right approach, because video takes a lot of credits. If first you have to choose exactly what you want, then you have, so that your credits will be not wasted. See, like this, all these images generated exactly. So these are all images generated. I hope you understood. First script, shortlist, and all those things, then image generation, then now video generation comes into the picture. Same free pick, he's using a different model. Kling is what he's using. There are different video models. I'm going to um, different video models are there, like Runway is one of the important thing. Kling is one important tools. He used different prompts, and he generated the. So he used the prompt which was generated by AI, and he used the images we generated earlier. Now he's generating video clips, independent video clips. See, this one is repeat with all the images, because he can't, he will share his screen if required. But you can repeat with all the images what exactly you need. Simple language, you don't need to be an expert of what is that, cinematographer or a filmmaker. Simple, what you want exactly. Just use the Google or ChatGPT to generate a lot of images or whatever you want. Then even use the ChatGPT to generate prompts for video generation. Mm, all those things. Then he used what is the Envato music generation. We have one more aggregator kind of thing that is called Envato music generation. Using all these things, he created text prompt that will generate the required background music. Make sure the prompt is detailed enough to capture the mood, instruments, tempo, and style that fit the video. Provide the final defined prompt. See, he's asking. This is called meta prompting. Meta prompting means you use the prompt to generate the prompt. I hope you are understanding. We use the prompt, basic prompt, to generate the detailed prompt. That is called. I will show more detailed versions how I'm developing very large prompts in other cases. Then he's edited all. He generated the music. He generated the video clips, and he generated all the images. What else you need? Finally, you have to bring all those things into one cohesive piece. We call it as video editing and syncing. That is, we do in the local desktop Adobe Premiere Pro. Anyone can learn it very fast, or even you can do it in mobile also. Sync voiceover with visuals. This is a little bit work. Maybe it takes around, because this is a smaller one, it takes around 30 minutes or something like that. Finally, rendered and exported in as a video. Got it? Any doubts until in understanding this, especially the video generation for 1 minute? Are you getting at least confidence, some confidence that you can do it?
Yes, sir.
If you're getting what is that? If you're having any doubts, please ask also. Video voice is not okay. Now I'm saying this. To shake this file, to follow the steps and replicate. Yes, definitely. I will provide this so that you guys can use it. Credit goes to Mukesh. He developed the entire document also. He generated. Mukesh, can you share your screen and just show all these steps one by one? Yes, someone is asking the tools used for generation of content are open source. These tools are not open source, but definitely there are open source tools stack are there. Even they are also almost equally aligned. But you need to have that workflow is completely different, and you guys need to learn. There is one software called Conf UI, CYMFI UI, Conf UI. It's a learning is required, but it can be done. Right now what you are showing is not open source, but you guys can just by spending a month 1 or 2 hours per day, you can build your own OpenAI stack also. There are uh, wonderful tools are there. Dr. Vinay, did I answer your question?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yes. Yeah, see here is sharing just share all the, you don't need to talk. If you want to talk, you can go ahead. Uh, Mukesh, just open and see here I script generated, something like that. You can um, all the steps.
Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, I have given this prompt in ChatGPT for the prompt or for the script. So it gave me a rough script.
Is it free? Is it free or paid, Mukesh?
Yeah, this is free version.
Yes. See, lot of text generation is free. Unless otherwise you go very deep and very long thing, more than enough. These free tools are especially text generation. Even I think image generation also you can do, but not at the level of what. But if you work hard, if you put more hours, you can build your pipeline to generate even complex things also.
Yeah, next I asked the ChatGPT to take the following 1 minute script and create a detailed shortlist breakdown. So it gave me the storyboard and shortlist breakdown.
Yes, it generated all the only that basic terminology required for you. Like what is a short list, what is a script breakdown kind of thing. That is the reason even there is one common question is just a minute, Mukesh. Do we need to learn coding? Because nowadays software development became so revolutionized by all these cloud code and even recently 1 week back OpenAI released Codex, maybe 1 week or I know the exact time, but today the morning I listened to that podcast for the entire hour. Yes, you have to learn because you don't need to learn for programming on your own, but you have to learn to use those tools like terminologies without the shortlist. And if you don't know the shortlist name and storyboard name and basic terminology, of course, if you are really intelligent, you can use ChatGPT itself to generate those prompts also. But definitely having basic fundamental terminologies in any domain, like filmmaking, if you want filmmaking, you have to use what is cinematography terms, what is low angle, high angle, drone shot, zoom shot, or something like that. There are multiple areas are there. You need to understand that so that these tools will help you, will be more magic. They look like uh, super wonderful assistants. Instead of if you say just generate the shot, kind of shot, there are lot of shots are there in terminologies. You have to give a little bit more specific something like, yeah, please go ahead. That is the reason I'm saying what I want to conclude is if whatever the area you want to use AI tools, first learn the fundamentals of that area. Okay, for agriculture purpose, I'm saying, imagine if someone wants to do some content creation in paddy or agronomy or entomology or any kind of any domain of input sector or whatever it may be, someone who don't know anything about agriculture, can he create the prompts the way you create? No. How can? Because you know what is paddy, you can give the scientific name and what exactly you want. You have to, I'm getting this problem at this particular time. Please give me the answer. Then it will give you better results instead of just saying, I have this problem and generate the solution means it won't work. It should be scientific. You need to give, that is called context engineering. Prompt engineering and context engineering is one of the most important thing. Context, you have to provide the context. Without context, these tools are not good. I hope you're understanding. Please try to memorize these two important: prompt engineering or prompt writing, context engineering or providing the context. These two are the most important things in Gen AI. What exactly you want to provide? Not just LLM is generic. You have to restrict it to one particular area. Yeah, please, Mukesh, please proceed.
Yeah, I've taken the first scene and asked the AI to write a prompt for the shot to generate an AI image. So it gave me the prompt to generate an image.
Yes. See, it generating the prompt for image because
So,
it gives a very detailed thing instead of, yeah, please.
Yeah, I have taken this prompt
and
copied it in.
Pre-pick.
Yeah.
Or here, okay, wherever, no problem.
Yeah, I'll take this and paste it here.
Yes. Even can you share that prompt to me so that I can use it mid-journey to generate a image
Sure.
for all?
Yeah.
Where is the mid-journey? Sorry, what is that? Yeah, this is the mid-journey. Can you share in Teams? Okay. Yeah, please complete. I will show it.
Yeah, I pasted the prompt here and click generate. So it is giving me the image.
Okay. Convert the following script into natural sounding female voice over.
I think I have given the wrong one. Just a second.
Yes, you have taken the wrong prompt. Image generation prompt is required.
Yeah.
Okay, just you shown and I will work on the tools. Just you saw the process. Anyway, I'll take the same prompts and I will work on the mid-journey and other tools. Got it, Mukesh? Yes. Yeah, wide aerial view of the last screen thing.
So this is how I got the image.
You need to share the screen, I guess. I'm not saying anything.
Just a second. Can you see my screen now? Can you see it now?
It's coming, I think. Now I'm saying able to see. Yeah.
Yeah. This is how I got the image.
Okay, just magnify it and show. See, that is one image he generated, multiple images. Yeah.
Yeah.
Take any one image and generate the video.
Yeah, I'm taking this one.
No, not that one. Better to, I want to make it a little bit complicated. That farmers are walking kind of.
This one.
Yes. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. Now we generate.
I will take this prompt and ask the same AI. Make this prompt
suitable
for video.
Okay, great.
Now it will give me a video prompt.
Yes.
I will copy this and paste here. Video generation.
That's voice generation. Look at
video generation. I'll upload that image and paste the prompt here.
Yes.
And I'll go for generate.
Yes. It takes a minute kind of thing, like not minute, maybe a few seconds or minute. Oh, about 3 minutes.
Take around 2 to 3 minutes.
2 to 3 minutes because video generation takes time. Around 3 minutes. Yeah. Okay, let it generate. Meanwhile, you share the other steps if anything is there. In this one only you have to. Okay. Then I will share the screen. Once completed, you share the screen. Please start
Sure,
it.
sure.
I'll work on this. Yeah. Now I'm asking our participants to give some concept so that we can work on itself. We can work on that only. Like any concept to generate some images or video. A little bit. We will try to challenge with the scientific in insect eating a crop or something like that. We want to generate 1 or 2 videos.
Sir,
Yeah, please.
sir, before giving this thing, actually, I have a queries.
Mm,
Like, sir, in the steps, we are generating the image first. And
mm,
say, for example, in the first image, background showing some of the farmers in your own videos,
mm,
photo generated by AI is in the, say, context of some 4 5 farmers are there.
mm.
But the subsequent, say, photos, what is there? If it is not
Consistency.
matching to the earlier,
Yes.
then what to do that?
Yes, there is no, there are multiple tools called character to maintain character consistency that comes under actually filmmaking kind of filmmaking level of knowledge because we can't share all those things in this short session. But there are you can go for how to maintain character consistency in AI video generation. That is what you can ask, and definitely if you do little bit research, you can find it very easily. There is a lot of research what research tools are there means videos are there in the YouTube and everyone there are so many levels like even I am doing a lot of work in that area, like I want to give my image and I want to generate consistent videos, not like other things. I'm facing a lot of challenges, but still I'm working there. It is possible. Already that challenge solved in the last quarter, last 2 to 3 months, because it is now it is always it is about 3 months only. If we
So,
are,
what tools are you are using?
I'm trying to I'm trying to share now itself. Imagine Mid Journey I'm sharing.
Okay, sir.
I'll try to share it here. See, this is the Mid Journey. It's a classic tool and a standard tool in image generation. Recently they added video generation also, but
Can you see my
here,
screen?
yeah, you're able to see. So this is the video it generated. And one important thing, don't expect that one generation will generate the videos as you like. Sometimes we need to spend expert level, filmmaking level. They are taking 20 takes. 20 times they're generating for one with little bit variations to see whether they're getting it exactly or not. Mm, at least for our purposes, at least we need to plan for 2 3 generations because it costs credits. That's the reason I'm mentioning very clearly. It takes credits so that based on your requirement, if you think this is enough, you can go ahead. You'll know I want more detailed, more. This thing means you have to go like that. Yeah. Next steps, Mukesh. See, he has taken that image, has generated the video. Show the image used, and prompt used. Yeah, see that image is used. That image, yeah. See that image used. Show me the prompt. How you generated the prompt in ChatGPT? You used it, right? Where okay, you have taken the prompt itself. Okay. Generally, I take the images and I paste the image and ask for a video generation. That is one way.
Yeah, we have pasted the prompt here and asked it to make it suitable for video.
Video, yes.
So given
This prompt has taken and he used. Just I'm reiterating for you guys. Madam, how much time we have? 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Yeah, you can. I think you can take up to 5 p.m.
Yes. Okay. 10 minutes.
We can conclude at 5 p.m. because some people have to travel.
Yes. Understood.
So tomorrow you can start 2 p.m.
Yes. Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yes. I hope you are understanding, right, guys? how all these tools, especially guys, you have to understand the, even tomorrow also I'll go to generate very high-end prompts. Before that, we want to create one video by tomorrow by taking, I think people suggested few topics. The tools used to generate the content are open source. So safe use of pesticides, and 1 minute video for soil sample collection scientific way. Mm. I'm taking these things. Probably I will we will choose one video topic and video of this 1 minute video for sample soil collection scientific way. Yes. Definitely here this, because I am not the person who is expertise having scientific way, so I don't know whether we are going to, but if some person assist me, definitely we will get it in a more appropriate way. AI video for a journey of a poor debt-ridden farmer in rain-fed region to a self-sufficient and happy farmer by using holistic AI. Okay, great. We'll try. Insect damage rice crop, 1 minute video. I'm just listing out. You guys tell me which one ultimately. Soil testing for farmers. Soil testing for farmers. We have cotton ballroom, bollworm management of Indian farmers. Maybe this looks interesting actually for me, because we can go a little bit detail. India farmers using high-end equipment such as UAVs and robots. This is it is not. It will generate, because that kind of images are there. Lot of images are there, like because holding devices and clicking and all those things. But I like cotton bollworm management for Indian farmers. Maybe we will try to generate that video. Future of agriculture scenario in India in context with the most of farming families leaving agriculture, including their second generation with the real estate context also. This is like one kind of documentary kind of thing we can create very easily, because it's mostly text based and the content is important, not scientific thing. We can generate, sir, this one also. Farmer State and Kishan Mela. Yes, we'll try to see what can be done tomorrow. Can we have something on real-time monitoring and counting of insect festation? See, if I'm the AI guy, I'm not really understanding this prompt actually. If this is a prompt, you need to be more specific. Real-time monitoring and counting of real-time monitoring means, you mean to say devices, using devices, or future role of in AI? Yeah, of course, this can be generated. HDS based virome profiling. Even I don't know what is that. I'm not. Green Energy in India future online application of PM Kisan scheme. Okay. I want to go like cotton bollworm management for Indian farmers, because it is including both cotton fields, bollworm insect and insect structure or something like that, and how to manage it, what kind of thing. Is it okay? You guys tell us whichever you HTC.
It's okay.
Yes. Yes, any same procedure, team, because just we have to spend more time. If it is not getting, we have to iterate on work, because for sample purpose we are going to spend little time because we have any urgent works. Even Mukesh can't spend more than 1 to 2 hours. Uh, but imagine if you spend entire day or entire 2 days prompt designing, multiple tools, use natural farming principles. And yes, of course, I think by this time you should understand, Dinesh, 1 minute video on natural farming principles and practices, you can generate very easily. By using ChatGPT, generate the script. Otherwise, you write the script if you know very well. You can use both your expertise and the AI tools and generate the script and ask for short divisions and storyboards. It will generate. Okay, so can you share the PDF in the chat so that they can, if they have tools, if you can spend at least 500,000 rupees for free pick, you can use all these things actually. I think free is there or not? I don't know.
No free version available.
Achha, achha. Yeah, but it is it starts with 500 or 600, right?
Yes.
Much. See, any one of you can use your topic, and if you really come up with just spend 600, 700 rupees, take the subscription and free pick, and you can complete all entire thing, entire video generation. Yeah, we have 2 minutes. Please ask any questions if you have on today's topic, especially prompt writing, meta prompting, advanced prompting, context engineering, or context providing.
Sir, one thing I have in the mind.
Please.
With respect to the book writing, once the book is read over, and then the index is mostly the very difficult job to be done manually. So whether the ChatGPT or generative AI can help us to do the indexing part.
Tomorrow we are having one session on AI in agriculture research.
Okay.
There I'm going to talk about indexation and all those things.
Okay.
How to get all the index and how to go procedurally, and so that you will understand how to write in a systematic way.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah. See here, he shared the SOP, like standard operating procedure. It includes all the steps, whatever I have shown here. So that if anybody wants to generate basic video by using all the steps, please go ahead and if you are facing any issue, if you work today, then only I can provide some what is that, if what kind of problems you are facing, and I will understand. Otherwise, because we are doing on a regular daily basis, we tinker easily. Please share tools mentioned in a note. This is one free pick is even though it says prefix, but it is not free. Actually, it provides a lot of stock images and all those things. Free pick is almost like one tool vision, and ChatGPT, of course, one thing. And Midjourney, if you want high-end visuals or JOE or anyway. Midjourney is for image generation. And Midjourney is image generation. Right now, these are what we are. Perplexity and Claude, CLAUD, Claude for text, high-end, high-quality text generation. Text or code generation. Claude is the best. Even ChatGPT is, of course. Perplexity is for research. If you are having Airtel thing, I think they are providing Pro version free for the 1 year. Perplexity. If you're having Airtel connection, you're having Perplexity paid Pro version free for 1 year. That's all. That's all, Suman sir. If anybody is having any questions, we can discuss tomorrow also.
Yeah, please. Anyone having any questions?
Yeah, last 1 to 2 minutes.
1 or 2 questions. Last
Yes.
2 questions, please.